get warmer today, so yes. Oh, I don't want to. No, the birds are chirping. The bear shouldn't be around.
With materials. This is like Blair Witch Project. Have you seen that movie?
Yeah. I read just read an article about it. The three who created it.
Yeah.
Or two of them created it. They're trying to like sue.
The studios.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Because there's like a budget of like $200,000. Yeah, $90 million. Yeah, spread like love. Yeah.
That movie scared the shit out of me.
I never watched that movie.
That one.
What movie?
Blair Witch Project.
Oh, I love it.
And it's
Oh, it turned off.
unknown.
Don't worry.
The rose that comes up
But and it's also looking at it's a study of the gradual mental breakdown.
Uh-huh.
It really is disturbing because you can so relate
beautiful.
to what's going on.
honeysuckles.
I see the Lord of the Flies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Don't lose the rhythm. Keep going.
Breakdown of society.
Yeah. There's a
I don't see
Netflix
this
going.
place this time of year. It's beautiful to see
Yeah.
what's around. Dogwood, all the
I
flowers.
sort of watched what you use.
This is steep. Whew. I'll have to turn you off.
I think these are organ grapes because hollies have bigger like spines to them. Yeah, they're like lethal. Another steep section.
I see. Well, we're coming back the same way?
I usually like to just run out like a big wall.
Huh. I might come back on my bum
Oh yeah.
because I really get scared going down when it's so steep. This way,
Yeah.
right?
And any like back or neck problems? Yeah, have a million. Yeah. You can go straight or up. Straight is prettier.
Okay.
That neighbor of ours, last week.
So there are quite a few ups and downs that are quite steep, and I'm quite fine going very steep up, but going down I'm really scared all the time of falling, because I fell so many times in the past. So now I'm behind everyone. There they are, the three of them. I told them, you keep going because I am slow going down. Oh. Okay. We're good. Well, I'm assuming I have to come this way. Yeah, I see them there. I thought I heard Ken talking, and I was right. Oh shoot. This is quite the hike, with rocks and everything. Oh yeah.
Put big dramatic music to this.
Yeah. Ooh, scary. You're almost done. Just look straight ahead. Yeah, I did. I told you there's scree and shale.
It is noisy. This is it. I'm out of here.